Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and this is my client's nails. Her name is Luba and she's my favorite client, and I already told her that it's not normal when nails stay on more than 1 month. They can be broken or lifted, and I will do it again as an exception because I'm not gonna remove these nails, I'm gonna feel them. And after watching this video, you will understand that we nail technicians can do miracles with gel nails, and we can transform any type of hard nails, especially when the client visited another nail technician, for example, the beginner. So let's get started! As you can see now, I'm removing the earthful gel polish. I don't know why she decided to use this color, because in this case it specially shows that nails are overgrown. I don't find the nail design, it seems like she visited another nail technician. As you can see, liftings on these nails are everywhere. And you know guys, it's very dangerous to leave these nails. You should immediately visit nail studio and fix them. To transform these nails quickly, I'm using the barrel gel bit. And the first thing we should make is to make the hole in the center of the nail plate. This is necessary to remove this lifting. The next thing we should do is rolling down cuticles to the limit. And of course, the most important and my favorite part of work, I'm using the flame drill bit and removing the pterygia, the dead skin from the nail plate. If you guys want to avoid the lifting that you saw from the beginning of this video, you should apply professional hardware manicure. And as you can see, I'm using the ball drill bit. It helps me to remove cuticles. But not only for removing cuticles I use this bit, it's necessary for lifting up and open it. And after that, I'm going to use the nippers, the professional nippers for removing cuticles, as you can see at this moment. You can buy these nippers in my store. These nippers will be easy to work for each person, especially for the beginner, because they are very sharp. And now, as you can see, I'm using professional non-acid primer. I'm using this product for removing the oil and the water from the nail plate. And now you see me applying the base layer of the sculpting mix gel. After curing this layer in 30 seconds in UV lamp, I'm placing something like the line on the center of the nail plate, as you can see on the video. And if the client places her hand neatly in LED lamp, it will be okay, but oh shit! Please, not now, and not with this nail. She doesn't know what to do. She decided to remove the nail from the lamp, and we're applying the next layer. So guys, as you understand, if we need to lift up the length of the nail, we should apply the first layer, something like the line in the center, in the vertical line of the nail. Cure it in LED lamp perfectly, and after that we're applying the second layer, which will cover the previous one and which will create the sculpting layer like you see on the video. And this is the main secret of how to work with my sculpting mix gel, which you can order right now in my store. It's easy to order using the credit card, no matter where you are, in United States or in South Africa. I'm sending products all over the world. I also use the PayPal system, so you can be protected with this service. Therefore, you are protected, like ordering products from eBay or AliExpress. This is the same system. Easy to order, easy to refund money, easy to get your package in 1 or 2 weeks. And the main thing you should understand, a lot of sellers all over the world, for example from China, they don't know how their products work. They take pictures from the internet to show the quality of their products. I don't do that because I'm professional. I work with these products more than 10 years. I sell the small amount of products, only that product I used this time and I will be using in future. That products are tested for years, not only by me, and also by my students and customers. And now guys, you see me working with the control bit. This one is perfect for cleaning under cuticles, like you see on the video. It perfectly removes flow the gel, and of course after that I will use again to remove the dirt and the gel from underneath the nail plate. Each nail technician should work with the file perfectly. You should apply this work like a robot. Do it step by step using the instruction. At first, we are working from the one side of each nail, and after that, we are working from the other side from each nail, and we are shaping this nail like a tube. Don't shape it the way it's curing to the lower side. We worked a lot from the beginning to sculpt these nails. And the next important thing is removing the product from underneath of the nail plate. And as you can see, there are a lot of gel. And only two gel beads can help us with it. The barrel gel bead and the cone gel bead. At the end, we should shape all the corners of nails and make sure that the length of each nail is the same. And of course, using the ball gel bead at the end is the final fine part of work. And as you can see, the skin is already dry, so it's easy to work with this type of skin using this gel bead. Nippers will help me to remove small particles of skin. And the buffer helps me to prepare this nail for the nail design. We will apply French manicure, the classic thing, but this thing will be enjoyable all the time and by every girl or woman. And as you can see, my hands are still applying this work perfectly and very quickly. You can count the time I'm applying the French manicure. It's about 1 or 2 minutes, because at first I'm drawing the curved line from the one side, and after I add the second line from the other side, and I cover the length with this Giorgio Cappuccini gel paint. It's needed to apply only 2 coats of this gel paint, and the French manicure will be fantastic. It will stay on for a long time. It will never break or scratched. I think that one-stroke technique is the perfect technique for nails you ever used, because we can apply the miracles in minutes. I know the rhythm of our life is very fast, and sometimes we don't have much time for applying the nail design. I decided to learn this technique and use it, not only for saving my time, but for showing you that simple things are genius. And at the end of this video, you will see that I was right. Now I'm covering nails with the new product of my store. It doesn't flow and creates amazing shine for these nails. So guys, are you ready for looking on the result? Looking on the nails that were before and after my work. So that was before, and that's not my work. And right now, just take a look how the beautiful your hand is transformed in only 1 hour, and now it looks much younger. It seems like now she's another person, not the person we looked from the beginning of the video. I love this client. She's an amazing woman, and I just want to say, guys, the condition of your hands doesn't matter. It's much more important for me, the condition of your heart and of your soul. And now I want to say thank you guys for your support. You helped me a lot to improve this channel. I'm gonna keep on making best videos for you because I love you. And I think every nail technician should understand it's not needed to make the S on the nail to get a lot of likes or views. It's better to make truly simple, beautiful nails. Just click like and subscribe to my channel if you agree with this idea. See you the next Saturday. Bye!